Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Pagepilot Shopify tutorial. So I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide on how to get it done. So the first thing you have to do, which is the first step, is to sign up for Shopify. So to sign up for Shopify, you have to visit the Shopify website, then click on the start free trial button and fill in your details to create an account, then verify your email address to activate your account. Then on the step 2, you have to install the Pagepilot. So to install the Pagepilot, you have to log into your Shopify account, then go to Shopify App Store and search for Pagepilot. Then after that, you have to click on Add App. Then you have to click on the Add App button, then follow the prompt to install Pagepilot. Then on the step 3, you have to set up your Pagepilot account. Once Pagepilot is installed, click on the Pagepilot app in the Shopify dashboard, then create a Pagepilot account or log in if you already have one account. After that, complete the onboarding process by providing information about your page, about your business, and your website goal. Then on the top and the third step, you have to create a new page. So in the Pagepilot dashboard, click on create new page, then choose a template that suits your needs or that's from the scratch. Then customize the page by adding text, image, video, and other elements using the drag and drop editors. Then on step 5, you have to optimize your page for SEO. So go to the SEO section in the Pagepilot editor, then add a page title, meta description, and relevant keywords. Then ensure your page is mobile friendly and load quickly. Then on the step 6, you have to publish your page. So once you are satisfied with your page, then click on the publish button, then choose the URL for your page and set the visibility settings. Then click on publish to make your page live on your Shopify store. Then on the step 7, you have to promote your page because that's the only best way to get audience. So share the link of your new page on social media platform like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, or other platform, or you can also simply use a newsletter or other marketing channel